So you're thinking about moving to Elgin, Illinois, but you want to know, what it's like to actually live in Elgin, Illinois. Well, you found the right video because I'm on the ground. I'm in site in Elgin, Illinois today, and I want to take you around the city, show you some different homes so you can see exactly what you would get if you're actually thinking about moving here to Elgin, Illinois. And I'm going to take you around the city. I'm going to take you around right now. Let's go. If this is your first time on this channel, you want to know everything there is to know about living in Chicago and the neighboring suburbs like Elgin, Illinois, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Chicago. Hey, what's up? It's Marley here with my team here, and we get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day looking to make that move to Chicago, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. Do not hesitate so we can help you make a smooth move to the city of Chicago. All right, now we're going to get into it right now. Let's go to our first property. All right, we're here at our first spot here in Elgin, Illinois, and I think Elgin is a great community to move to. It looks like it's very friendly out here. I was walking around and I saw, some people who were walking their dogs. A couple of them stopped and talked to each other, completely strangers. But that is something that is really nice about Elgin, is that you can go around, in your community, walk around, see a neighbor, and strike up a friendly conversation. So that is something that is really nice. But we're rolling up here on our first property here. This one here is going to be listed at $479,000. You're going to get 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it's going to be on 2,700 square feet. So that is really, really nice. You get a lot of land, a lot of home for your money here. And again, Elgin is a very affordable neighborhood. So that is really nice about it, that you're going to have a lot of land here. You're going to have a lot of backyard, for the kids to run around and play and, get all of that energy out that they need. And that is really nice. Now, the thing about some of these communities here in Elgin is that they are going to have an HOA fee, but it is going to be just as low as $25. So that is really nice if you think about it. Some of other HOA fees around here in Chicago and Illinois, they do get up there in price. So here in Elgin, it's only going to cost you around $25 a month for your HOA fee. So that is really nice. This home was also built in 2012 as well. So it is a newer home. And if you look around too, just from where I'm standing, you can see kind of the other homes as well. They're just as big and they're on just as much land. So that is nice. This home here that we were just looking at is built on 10,000 square feet of land. So just think about that. You're going to have a nice sized backyard. And even if I back up here a little bit, you can actually see some people have, playgrounds in their backyards, pools in their backyards. Right, these things are common here in Elgin, Illinois. So if that's what you're looking for, if you're looking for a nice sized house, you're looking for to upgrade your home and make more room for your family, things like that. As you can see here, you can see the playground right there. But that's what you're looking for, to upgrade your living and your home so you can have more space for you, your family, your kids. Then Elgin is going to be a great spot for you. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take you around this community, because I saw some things like a nice playground just down the street there for the kids. But we're going to take you around this area here, and we're going to show you some other homes in the area. When we take you to our next spot, we'll talk about that, and I'll see you there. All right, I'm going to take you around the city now. All right, so we're here at our second spot here in Elgin, Illinois, and I just want to note something before we, pass our next property is that you can kind of see here a lot of the leaves and the greenery here in Elgin. I really love it because, the trees here, it is quote unquote February time, so you're not going to see a lot of leaves on the trees right now, but just imagine. I want you to use your imagination for a second and just picture, these trees and a lot of these homes here, that are surrounded by these trees. Imagine them having, full of leaves and you driving up to your property and it's just a beautiful scene. The nature is great. A lot of these lawns here are also manicured as well, right? So you're gonna get a lot of land for your home, but remember, make sure you got a lawnmower as well, right? So you can keep your land and your home landscaped and looking pristine and great. But as we go ahead and roll up here on our second property here, this one here is going to be listed at $524,000, but you're going to get 6 bedrooms. You're going to get 5 bathrooms as well. And this home is about 3,800 square feet as well, right? So this is a massive size home, right? If you're looking for a lot more space for your family, you're going to find it here in Elgin as well. The affordability is there, right? For only $500,000, you're getting 6 bedrooms here. That is incredible. Now, this home was built in 1970, so it is going to be an older built home, but has been recently updated. So that is something that is really great about it. Okay, and then that's going to put us at around $136 per square foot. So think about that, right? Compare that to maybe some of your other, areas in your neighborhood or some of the other areas here in Chicago, right? This is going to be a definitely affordable place to live here in Elgin as well. So I do like that. Now, I also want to point out something as well, is that you can see that, a lot of these homes, they're going to have, a lot of space in between this home or your home and the next home. So that is really nice as well. You're not going to, be on top of your neighbors. You're not going to be worried about, if they're too close to you, or if you're, having, an event or something at your house, you're not going to be really worried about, the noise sometimes. So just keep that in mind. I do like that about these homes here in Elgin as well. One thing else I want to note is as well, is that you can kind of see that, Elgin has some long driveways. So a lot of people, they prefer to park on their driveway. So that is nice. It's going to keep the streets clear. It's going to keep, a lot of the noise from the streets out the way. So if that's something that you're looking for, you're going to find it here. And that is something that I love to tell our clients as well. So again, here, $500,000, 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, getting a lot of bang for your buck here in Elgin, Illinois. So if this is something that you're looking for, do not hesitate. Shoot us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email so we can help you secure your next home here in Chicago, all right? But we're going to take you around this area. We're going to show you some other homes in the area, and then we're going to take you to our last property, and we're going to see what it's talking about. All right, I'll see you there. All right, so we're here at our third spot here in South Elgin, Illinois, and I want to kind of bring you guys to South Elgin so you can kind of see the different types of homes in Elgin and South Elgin, so you can kind of get a better idea on what you're going to get for your money here. All right, so we're rolling up here on our third spot, but on my way in, Elgin is going to be in the northwest suburbs, so it's going to be about 30 minutes away from the airport as well. But I was on Route 34, which is also going to be known as Randall Road. Most likely going to be a popular road. If you choose to move here in Elgin, you're going to be on this road because it's going to have all of your groceries, it's going to have all of your food, your entertainment. All of that stuff is less than 5 minutes away, from where I'm at right now. And as well, on my way in, I saw a school. So if you're into walking your kids, or you got a young one that is not as in grade school yet, and you want to walk them to school every day, you're going to be able to do that here in Elgin, Illinois. So that is something that is great about these communities. And as you look around too, it is really quiet out here. So if you're looking for privacy, if you're looking for a quiet life, for your family space and all of that, you're gonna find it here in Elgin, all right? But as we roll up here, we're rolling up on our third spot here. This home here is gonna be worth $700,000. You're gonna get 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It's gonna be around a 3,700 square foot home as well. So again, affordability, size, you're gonna have all of that here as well. And something else I want to point out is it was built in 2002, so it's only about 20 something years old. And then right, the HOA fee here is only $50 a month. So think about that. On a $700,000 home, your HOA fee is only $50 a month. That is incredible. You're getting a lot of quality and bang for your buck here in Elgin, Illinois. So I do really like that about these communities. And I like to let our clients know that as well, that you're gonna get that. And if you look around too, you can kind of see a lot of the homes are similar, to the $700,000 home that we're looking at. And that is nice. If you're looking for privacy, if you're looking for a quiet life, you can see the streets are really, really clean as well. If you're looking for friendliness, from your community, you're gonna find it in these areas like Elgin. So I like to point that out as well. And on my way in too, I saw, a huge golf course. I passed the Elgin Community College as well. So there are just a lot of things in this area that you're gonna be able to do. You're gonna be able to, experience these things as well. If you're a golfer, get out there, practice that swing, whatever you need to do. You're gonna be able to do it here in Elgin, Illinois as well. Again, and if you need to do anything in Chicago, it's only gonna be about an hour away on the 90 Expressway. But this is what you're gonna get here in Elgin, Illinois and South Elgin as well. I wanna thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. If you saw something that you like, if you see something that you like, do not hesitate. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help you make a smooth move to Chicago. Hey, and maybe even Elgin, Illinois as well. But again, we want to thank you, and I'm going to still show you around the city. I'm going to show you around this town here so you can kind of see some more homes that are available in this price range. And again, if you see something that you like, don't hesitate. Let us know so we can help you make a smooth move. But I'm going to take you around the city right now. And until I see you in Chicago, until I can show you around my city, peace.